Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to perform, clear factory that of your Apple iPhone 70 Pro using the DFU mode. But also, you can use the DFU mode if you've forgotten your passcode. But it's a little bit tricky to reach that mode. So you should use the DFU mode if you like to root your iPhone 70 Pro or Pro Max. How do we perform this? We will need a wired connection, of course. So here's the wired connection. We will need in the background running on a computer Apple devices. This is an app, of course. We should trust the iPhone and the computer, of course. And then we should make first a reboot. That means we go to, on the left side, we have volume up and volume down button. On the right side, we have the power button. We will go to up, down, power button, then black screen. If there is a black screen, we remove them. And then we push again both buttons, the volume down and the power button, and we will release after 5 seconds the power button, but we already still get the volume down button pressed until we reach the DFU mode. Okay, yeah, and the DFU mode is black screen. It will be getting information on Apple devices because we have a wired connection that we are in DFU mode. And after this process done, we can make deeper setup, deeper maintenance, or of course we can root the system. That's possible. Or we can make a restore, of course. Let's perform now. So let's start. Volume up, volume down, power button. Keep pushing. Oh yeah, we keep pushing that. We are ready for the next step. That means now we have black screen. There it is. And we remove it, get back in the scene. Now 5 seconds, and then we will release the power button. Here we are. So now we should enter into the DFU mode. You will see this in the back side. There we are. Okay, so here we are. We get this phone now. Get over here, and we can have a look on the screen. Here's the screen. The screen will give us information about that our computer has detected an iPhone in DFU mode. So we must restore this phone before it can be used. Yeah. In this mode now, we can make a root and deeper setup and something else to perform. This is the DFU mode. Of course, we can now restore the iPhone. Then we get information about the restore. All apps and data will be removed. All our media and data will be erased. This is, of course, the thread if you've forgotten your passcode. Restore an update and preparing now for restoring. After this is done, we can make this setup again. The software here will be there. Okay, but if there is a prop while you do not like to go back to with the DFU mode, or the power supply is be shut off or something else happens, you have your iPhone in front of you and nothing happens. If you press the power button, if you push on it, nothing happens. That means it's now broken and you have to throw it in the bin. No, you can wait 20 minutes. After this, it will be automatically go out of the DFU mode, or you perform a soft reset. Here we are, volume up, volume down, power button. Keep pushing until the Apple branding is seen. Okay, then you come back to standard boot process of the iPhone again. Yeah, but this is only the troubleshooting stuff if you does not like to continue here in the iPhone or restoring software option or something else. That's how to enter into the DFU mode. And of course, if you like to restore the software on that phone. Yeah, here we are. You can see we are back in business and we can use it again. If I get it back on the screen, you see there is an arrow now and we are get back standard. Soon.